being guided by the Constitution of India. So therefore, I think whoever says anything, hopefully, before talking, they need to know the rules, the procedure, and the Constitution of India very well. Because, why I'm saying this, government of Assam cannot bring money here in the state of Meghalaya. Government of Meghalaya, state government of Meghalaya, cannot take out the budget provision from Meghalaya to invest in Manipur, to invest in other parts of the northeastern states. So that is very clear. So therefore, see, I think this is the election year. Ultimately, I think people, they talk whatever they feel like talking. But I'm just telling you, I think once I've already told you, so from NPP side, our principle is very, very clear. We will not just talk for the sake of talking about the issues, like you did mention now, other parties, they trying to blame NPP that all the revenue from the state government, from Meghalaya, has been transferred to other states in the northeast, which is totally wrong, which is totally unconstitutional. I see talking in the public meeting, like maybe in the presence of media, maybe sometimes a slip of tongue happens. But I think deep down inside, I don't think they really mean business what they talk. Because right now I'm telling you, MDA government is intact. We respect each other. All the party within the MDA, we respect each other, and we will not allow and we will not give any room of blaming each other even in the future. No, I can't say that. Backstabbing, I don't say that way. That's what I'm telling you right now. My statement is very clear on behalf of the NPP. From the NPP, we have already instructed to restrain, be it or candidate, be it or party leaders, restrain from allegation, to make any allegation, not only to our partners in the NDA, but even to the political party, which is our main opponent. So we need to understand that. Let us talk. When we talk facts, and we talk things which is justified.